শনিবার আইএসএল এ কেরালা ব্লাস্টার্সের মুখোমুখি হচ্ছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল। বেঙ্গালুরু এফসি এবং এফসি গোয়ার বিরুদ্ধে পরপর দুই ম্যাচে এগিয়ে গিয়েও গোল হজম করতে হয়েছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গলকে। বেঙ্গালুরুর বিরুদ্ধে প্রথমার্ধে একটা এবং দ্বিতীয়ার্ধে একটা গোল হজম করেছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল, এবং এফসি গোয়ার বিরুদ্ধে পরপর 2 মিনিটে 74 এবং 75 মিনিটে গোল হজম করেছে। মরশুমের শুরুটা ভালো হলেও যত সময় এগোচ্ছে ততই ইস্ট বেঙ্গল ডিফেন্সের ফাঁকফোকরগুলো কিন্তু সামনে চলে আসছে। ইস্ট বেঙ্গল কোচ এফসি গোয়ার বিরুদ্ধে ম্যাচের পর জানিয়েছিলেন ডিফেন্সের এই ভুল ত্রুটি বারবার হতে দেওয়া যায় না, এবং তিনি লক্ষ্য রাখবেন যাতে এই ভুলের পুনরাবৃত্তি না হয়। ইস্টবেঙ্গল সেই ভুল আদৌ শুধরে উঠতে পেরেছে কিনা তা জানার জন্য নজর রাখতে হবে কালকের ম্যাচের দিকে। তবে কেরলের বিরুদ্ধে মুখোমুখি হওয়ার আগে কি বললেন কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রাত, আসুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক।
Yeah, but it's never a question of fight, or it's never a question of attitude of the players. I'm very happy with the way they are working and the energy that they are putting in the games. The only thing is that we as footballers, we have to understand that the game, any game, have different dynamics. You know, there is a moment for one kind of things, there is a moment for a different kind of things, and I think that it was happening in the last match. I am very happy of the first half of the match. Even Mano Marquez recognized that we were the best team in the first half. But in the second half, after we start the second half well, after 10 minutes we start to lose cheap balls, you know. And at that moment, when you get the other team to have so much possession, they become to get confident. They put you in the box, and finally they score because the free kick and we were defending our box during too much time. So it's something that the players have to learn that, and we are working on that. They know that. So it was never a question of fight. It was never a question of attitude. It was a question to understand what's happening in the game. We have a very clear example there with Barcelona Real Madrid last match. Yeah? Unfortunately for me, Barcelona was not reading well the match in the second half, and it was happening. You have to smell what's happening, and as a player, you have to take different decisions inside of the pitch to try to stop the situation of the other team and try to play the things that are going to help you to get the result. And I think that Indian Super League is a very emotional league, because if you see, there is a lot of comebacks. The last games, there is a lot of times that when the team has nothing to lose, it's when the things are happening for the team, because okay, you get free of cliches and you go, and finally you get a comeback. And also there is a lot of red cards happening in the last games in the Indian Super League, and it's because the emotionality of the players, they don't control themselves in the tackles, in the reactions. So it's something that they become Indian Super League champion for a reason. We were managing situations, we arrived to a final, we have to play extra time, the other team get a red card in the extra time. So there is things that I was teaching my team in the past with Bengaluru, and I hope that I can teach the same to Sbangal now with the new players. That's a very interesting question and very personal question, because when we have been winning in the last minutes of the game, you don't ask that. There was not a physical issue at that moment. Come on. I think that we are in a fantastic club with a central story, with a lot of history, but it looks at times that I am the only one pushing in a positive way. If you love Sbangal, you also should say the good things that are happening. We are in a fantastic momentum. We are bringing brilliant talents to the national team after 8 years without 3 players going to the national team. There is 3 players going to the national team. We have a lot of foreigner players that are really good players to help us to be competitive. We have been very close to win a title just 2 months ago in a very nice final that we were the dominating team in the final. Mohun Bagan have been playing until now 15 official games, 15. And we are the only team who has beat Mohun Bagan. So come on guys, a lot of positives to think about. And talking about last minutes of the game, maybe tomorrow is a close game and our supporters help us to get the 3 points in the last moments, like it has been happening against Hyderabad and against Ortiz here. We hope so, because they help us a lot. So tomorrow is a very good opportunity to be all together for the objective.